where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. Let's learn how to play Last Kiss, the Pearl Jam version. You will need chord G, E minor. If you notice, G and E minor only have one finger difference. Some of my students like to add the pinky from the G chord. You don't have to do it that way, but I like presenting options. Then you have C, and then D chord. D chord, I like to pivot the hand all the way to the very top. And you can use index, middle, and ring if your fingers are thinner. If your fingers are a little thicker, then maybe start with the middle finger, because then you'll be able to fit the ring and pinky a little better. So that's a little hack for D chord. Each chord will have 4 beats before you switch to the other one. So you'll have G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and D. If you're more of a beginner, stay right there. Just give me those down strums, because you can still make the song sound great, and you can have fun. If you're more advanced, give me 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. If you're a little bit more advanced, add an up strum like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 I know that I have my more advanced students here in class, so of course you can do the island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And this will sound more like the original song. And for my absolute most advanced students, you can add a chuck. That's the rock beat here, a little bit of percussion. And if you haven't learned how to do the island strum or a chuck, I'm going to link my 5-day course right here in the top corner so that you can work on that. It's something you can definitely do in the 5 days. Okay, so now let's play through the chorus together. It doesn't matter whether you're doing the single strum or the island strum with the chuck. We can all play together and it'll line up. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Well, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. You can do the O's here if you wanted to. 1, 2, ready, and the pattern that you just learned applies for the whole song. So just for fun, let's try and sing through a verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Out on a date in my daddy's car. We hadn't driven very far. On the road, straight ahead. A car was slow, the engine was dead. I couldn't stop, so I swerved to the right. I'll never forget this on the night. The screaming tires, busted glass, painful scream that I heard last. Let's stay on a G chord at the end of the verse, just for 2 strumming patterns, and then you can go into the chorus. Well, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I got to be good. I can see my baby when I leave. And just for fun, let's do the ooh section. Ready, go. In today's video, I've been playing the Enya Nova ukulele. I will link this down below because it's a wonderful ukulele. It sounds great, it looks awesome. It's made from plastic and carbon fiber, which means that it's It's not going to change when the weather changes. It's not going to expand or contract. I don't have to worry about fret sprouting or just even it getting wet or humid or dry. It's just the ukulele that's weatherproof. So I'm going to link it down below, and you can add a weatherproof ukulele to your collection. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and let me know which song you would like to learn next. And yeah, I'll see you later. Ciao!